now is to talk about inode. Inode is like a structure that represent a file, metadata, and pointers to the data of the file. So here you can see here an inode, and inode there is a metadata of the file, permission, and things like this, and the area of the pointers to the data of the file. For example, here is the inode. I have, look at this, I have many pointers from the inode of a specific file to the data blocks in the memory. Now look at it, and maybe I'll show you another thing. Here is more maybe complete inode. So I have an inode. You see that it starts with metadata of the file. What are permissions? Where is the size of the file? And what is the owner block used? So you can see that the size of the file is 92, and each block of data is 4 kilobyte. So we need 23 blocks of data, because 23 times 4 gives me the file size, right? And if the file size is 92 and each data block is 4 kilobytes, so I need 23 blocks. Now this inode has by itself a 12 direct pointers, so I can get 12 times blocks from the direct pointers, but I have a problem because this is not enough. Because this is not enough, there are the indirect pointers. You can see that there is a single, double, and triple. It depends on how much I need. Now, after 12, I have left with, I need more, I need 11 more, right? So from the single indirect, you can see that I can get 8 more. So 12 plus 8 is 20. I still need or more 3. And I can get from the double indirect 3 more that I need. So you can see that if I finish the direct pointers, because I don't have more than 12 in this type of inode, I can use the indirect pointers. Now, all this inode is for one file. Every file has its inode, not different files in the inode, one file. Metadata of the file and the pointers to the data itself of the file. This is the idea of how inode can be used as representing the file metadata and the file pointers. It doesn't contain the data itself, just the pointers to the data. And there are the direct pointers, as you can see right over here, and there are the indirect that we talked about. We have 4 kilobyte blocks. This is the size of each data, and the file size is 20 and 92. Therefore, we said that we need 23 blocks, and we showed how we need to use all our direct pointer, because this inode has 12, it doesn't have more. And when he finish with the direct, he goes to the indirect one that gives me more data, but they are a little bit slower because they are indirect. But this is the idea. This is the idea of the inode. I wish this is enough understandable. Thank you very much. This was about inode. If there are any mistakes or corrections, please tell me. And this is about inode, and I think that that's it. It's enough.